Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Windows operating systems. Then we will install the MySQL Workbench and connect MySQL Server. So first download the MySQL Server by going to mysql.com. Hit enter, then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL Community Server, then select the version, then select operating system. See here we have the time of making this video, LTS version is 8.4.3. So select operating system as Microsoft Windows. Now download this Windows MSI installer. Then click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. Go to downloads, Control C. See here, its size is 129 megabytes. Wait until download complete. See, download is completed. Now click on this MySQL 8.4.3 MSI file to install. Click on next. Select the checkbox, that is I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on next. See here we have three types of setups: typical, custom and complete. Select the complete, then click on install. See, installation has been started. Completed the server setup wizard. Now select this checkbox, that is run MySQL configurator, then click on finish. Now we will get the MySQL configurator console. This is a welcome screen. See, okay, click on next, and this is the data directory location. If you want to change, click on browse. If you are okay with this default location, then click on next. And config types, we see here we have development, server and dedicated. I am going with the development computer. Then port number 3306. Remaining I am not going to change. So click on next. Here we have to provide the password for the root account. Remember this password which is required to connect to MySQL Server. If you want to create user account, you have to click on here, or you can create user after installation also. Okay, so I'm not going to. Suppose if you want to create, click on add user, then provide username, then select the roles. See here we have different roles. Then we have to provide user password. I'm not going to do anything. Click on cancel, click on next, and this is the name in the services. If you go to services application, see like this, you will get this as service name for the MySQL, and run Windows services standard system account, then click on next. Select the first option, yes, grant full access to user running Windows service, then click on next. If you want to create sample databases, select this too. It is up to you. I want to create both databases, then click on next. See, ready to configure. If you click on execute, it will apply the configuration. So click on execute. More, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See, installation configuration success, then click on next. If you want to copy the log to keyboard, you have to click on here, otherwise click on finish. Now go to start, go to the folder. See here we have the MySQL. Click on drop down. See here we have the MySQL command line client configurator. Okay, click on MySQL command line client, then provide the password of the root account. Password, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.3. You can also verify the version. Select version, put semicolon at the end. See, we have installed MySQL version number 8.4.3. If you want to see the list of databases, just give show databases. Except this Cycle and World database, remaining databases are default databases, comes with MySQL installation. Okay, if you want to see the list of users, show users. This won't work, just I want to show you the command and error information. So to get list of users, use the select user from mysql.user, put semicolon. See, these are the list of the users. If you want to create database, create database, then provide database name. provide the database name. I'm giving database name as DB schools. Hit enter. Let us verify again. Show databases. See, new database DB schools is there. If you want to switch to this new database, use the command use. We have to use the command use, then provide the database name DB schools, put semicolon. See, database has been changed. If you want to create tables, create. Before that, verify, show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let me create a table. See, this typo, we have to give only create table. See, table is created. Show tables. See, new table is there. Until now, we have performed actions on MySQL command line client. But if you want to perform the same actions on GUI tool, we have to download and install the MySQL Workbench. Okay, so go to same mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Again, click on MySQL community download. See here, we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. See here, we have the MSI installer for Windows. And see, this is the version. So click on download. No thanks, just start my download. Go to downloads directory. See, download has been started. Its size is only 41.9 megabytes. Now click on this MSI file to install. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. I am not going to change. So click on next. Select complete and click on next. Install. Installation is completed. Now keep the checkbox, that is launch MySQL Workbench now, and click on finish. Or you can go to start. There you can find it in MySQL folder. MySQL. See here we have the MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE. CE means community edition. Now click on this plus button to add the database. Then provide the connection name. I am giving MySQL 8.4.3 LTS. In the host name, provide the IP or host name of the machine where you have installed MySQL, and port number 3306, username root, then provide the password. Click on store in password, store in vault, then provide the password that we have given for this account. Click on OK, then click on test connection, click on continue anyway. See, successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK, click on OK, again click on this connection. See, we got the list of the databases. If you want to create a database, right click here and create schema. Then provide the database name, testdb. Then click on apply. Again apply, finish, close this one. See, new database is there. Even if you go to MySQL command line client, again show databases. See, new database test. See, this is the schemas tab. If you want to go to administration, click on here. See here, we have the option server status. See, we got the server status like CPU, running status, and the host name, socket name, port number, version, everything. Okay. And if you want to see the client connections, we don't have any connections. Users, see here, these are the list of users. Status, see here. Okay. So if you want to import or export data, see here we have the export and import. Okay, you can select here and you can perform the actions. The last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Windows operating systems. Services.msc, press M. See here we have the MySQL 84 and its status is running. If you want to stop, right click and stop, or select it, click on stop link or start button. If you want to restart, right click and restart, or select the restart link or restart button. All three are same. Okay. So in this video we have seen to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Windows operating systems. The process is same on Windows 10 or 11 or servers. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.